Hey BFFs, I'm Rain.
And I'm Isis.
Today we're going to be designing our own straws. And we got these from Kroger for $1. And
we also have these zipper bracelets,
which I have no idea what to do. So I'm just connecting. How did the boy do that? I'm trying to do that.
And look at my terrible design.
Look at mine.
No, look at mine. Like it's that there.
This looks so weird. How is this gonna work?
If I do this, and then it's gonna look. Shall I try? No, it's gonna need to be longer. No. It's gonna need to be.
Okay, this time I'm not curving. I don't know if you see where I'm going, but like I'm trying to like make the straws be able to like fit in both cups.
Okay, that's a bit too long.
So I'm gonna need another curve. I don't know if you see where I'm going with this, but
it's gonna have to do. So I have no idea what I'm doing.
I hardly know.
I'm still gonna have extra pieces.
Now I got it.
Because mine is so small.
Yeah, I'm gonna have extra pieces. Oh no, I have no more curves. Dun dun dun!
Ooh! I could do this.
No, that would be a fail.
Look! I think I could drink through this. Look! Brain, do you think I could drink?
Yeah.
Okay. I
Try
laugh,
it.
I can't drink.
Try! Don't laugh, girl.
I'm trying not there. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. This is so weird. You did it.
I can drink it.
I did it. I can drink this. Okay, now we're gonna be opening some zips bracelets.
Bracelet.
Strawberry mixed up with chocolate is delicious.
And then,
which we've actually tried before.
but not with these crazy straws.
Yeah, I was so excited when we got these straws.
I was mostly like the blah.
What? These straws were so fun. How are you the blah?
When we first looked at them at Kroger, I was like, the blah, it looks so boring. When we first looked at them at Kroger, but now I'm like,
Yay, I want some more. Give me some more. I just want to drink out of this. Give me some more. She's like, I want to drink this all day. Yes.
I didn't get one look.
Yes. You can like unzip it and zip it.